Marianne Binetti, and it's early spring, the perfect time to divide up Black Mondo Grass. So Black Mondo Grass, and here's a little one right here. Black Mondo Grass is not really a grass, it's not an ornamental grass, it's actually a member of the lily family. And so you can see if I put my trowel right here, and you can see as a backdrop, there's a little swollen bulb there, just like lilies have bulbs. And so that means in early spring is when you dig up the Black Mondo Grass and spread it around. I started out with just one plant this size about 15 years ago, and now I have this whole row of Black Mondo Grass that I think makes a great little lacy edging to my beds. So I'm going to continue my border of Black Mondo Grass because it is early spring. You can see I've got my hellebores are blooming in this bed. And I'm going to go down in here, and some of these Black Mondo Grass have kind of broke free. Now when you dig it up, you're going to see that they're attached. And this one, you can see even better the swollen roots. Right here you can see the swollen roots that look like bulbs. And then this I call the umbilical cord. This was attached to another Black Mondo Grass. But that's okay. In early spring, it's a good time to simply just dig them up. And we're going to move them over to continue our row of Mondo Grass. So come on over here, and I'll show you. See, we have Black Mondo Grass, we have Black Mondo Grass, Black Mondo Grass. And now, I'm going to continue. So, simply as easy as making a hole, making sure you don't plant them too much deeper than they were. And there we go. Now I'm spacing these about 6 to 8 inches apart because they will fill in just like this row here and be one solid, kind of like a little lacy black petticoat edging my garden bed that is full of early spring blooming hellebores. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.